Today, we got Wendy's, the new Cajun chicken sandwich. Let's get it. She gets unwrap this bad boy. Wendy smiling at me, man. Let's unwrap it. There we go. Yeah. This is what it looked like. It got some kind of sauce on it. That bad boy is loaded up, man. It's your boy. Try this bad boy out. Check this bad boy out. It's loaded up. Got crispy onions on it. Right here. Smells spicy a little bit. Let's dive on in this bad boy. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. The sauce is kind of mayonnaise-y, honey, sweet, spicy. Pretty good. Good flavor. The crispy onions is good too. This joint, bite out too. Got a little bit of spice to it, not too much. Let's go in for bite number 2. See what it's looking like. Got a little kick to it, not too much kick, you know. One more bite for good measure. The crispy onions, they're a good touch. The sauce is good. A little kick, not too much kick. A little spice. I give it between an A and an A+. Pretty good. I enjoyed it. I think you might like it if you like spicy food. Remember to check me out. Greedy Food Reviews with a Z. Greedy Food Reviews with a Z. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Holla at me. I'm out.